pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the purME mask comes into play for effective protection. purME is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on purME, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. purME is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find purME comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, purME is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, purME weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of purME is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. purME, the gas mask that you can wear every day.
Introducing our latest product, LMP. A reusable face mask created to protect you and those around you. LMP has been rapidly prototyped and created as a solution to the current lack of face masks. We wanted to create something that doesn't exploit medical resources and delivers a high-quality face mask for personal use. Our mask filters at high FFP3 and N99 standard, with dual carbon filters to filter out pollution and viral threats, creating a comfortable, reusable mask with replaceable filters for everyday use. We also wanted to reduce the number of disposable masks for personal use.
Meet UVMask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC purification technology that filters all dust, pollution, and particles as small as 0.1 microns. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patent-pending sterile vortex. The ultra-high intensity UVC light instantly purifies the air in real time as you breathe. The first layer of filtration is a replaceable air filter that captures all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as an N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation. While particles smaller than 0.3 microns aren't always efficiently captured by the passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, providing an extra level of protection. As fine particles pass through the sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also purified, providing two-way filtration. UVMask's biocompatible food-grade ergonomic silicone layer is soft against the skin. Wear it securely and comfortably with its flexible strap styles. UVMask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making talking and breathing easy, unlike traditional masks. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back UVMask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
VizardM is the first professional medical respirator with replaceable 3-ply filters. Filters are made from aerospace materials to protect the respiratory system. Filter material contains bioactive particles. Filtering materials have undergone tests in laboratories and obtained international certificates. Filter VizardM can be used up to 5 days. Incada is a group of engineering companies operating in the sphere of air filtration. For more than 10 years, its experienced engineers created the VizardM. VizardM. Easy to use, easy to wash, and easy to disinfect. VizardM can be used in healthcare organizations, offices, public places, transport, and others. VizardM. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.
RespoLab is a collective of designers, engineers, and innovators. We understand functionality, practicality, and the importance of comfort and style. Our team have developed an advanced face mask capable of filtering both inhalation and exhalation and keeping you safe as you go about your daily routine. Our mask's ultra-soft polymeric seal allows it to be worn effortlessly for prolonged periods. Using advanced simulation, we have been able to prove the efficiency of our unique patented pleated filter system and design in easy replacement filter cartridges for cost-effective, comfortable, and hygienic long-term use, whether you are heading to work or working out in the park. The Respo One is a great mask solution for anyone, keeping both you and those around you protected and safe.
Did you know that breathing in polluted air has the same health impacts as smoking? Climate scientists at Berkeley Earth have shown the amount of cigarettes you smoke depends on where you live. Exposure to air pollution doesn't just increase the likelihood of lung cancer and stroke, it significantly reduces IQ, damages your skin, increases anxiety, and has negative impacts on fitness levels. And once it enters your bloodstream, it's there to stay. My name is Isaac, and I grew up in Sydney, Australia, with my brother Elias and lifelong friend Jack. When we went on a trip together to China, we suffered from the detrimental effects of air pollution firsthand. That's why we've created an award-winning mask, which doesn't compromise on style or functionality. With machine washable skins, changeable botanical filters, magic fit ear loops, memory nose foam, form-fitting design, and 2 of the world's thinnest valves made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel. We've taken care to craft a mask which exceeds in every detail. So now, when we are planning a trip together to Los Angeles, we have a mask which is breathable, comfortable, and stylish. We've made a mask that you can wear every day, when commuting to work, riding a bike, or going for a run. Wear it with glasses or with makeup. It's a mask which stops you from spreading a nasty cough or catching someone else's. Our filters are made of electrostatic cotton, melt-blown microfiber, and active carbon, blocking over 97% of particulate matter, 2.5 microns and even smaller. Exceeding Australian respiratory protection standards, our filters last up to 4 weeks. But we didn't just want to make another mask. We wanted to create an experience. Instead of treating our filters with harsh, antibacterial chemicals, our O2 Plus filters infuse natural botanicals sourced from Australian farms, offering subtle scents and unique benefits. From the lavender fields of Tasmania to the eucalyptus trees of New South Wales, our filters can help relax, decongest, or stimulate your body. And of course, we have blank filters available as well. The simple click and switch design allows you to swap and replace filters depending on your needs. We think protecting yourself from air pollution should be simple. That's why we spent over 2 years working with the University of Sydney, creating countless prototypes and designs. There's a reason why we've won so many awards. That's because we have listened to everything you've had to say. It's a mask designed by you to suit all your needs. We've already finished prototypes, begun tooling, and are excited to bring our project to life. Our manufacturers are ready to go, and now we want to partner with you to make this a reality.
I work as a cameraman, and wearing face masks has always been a part of my job. Finally, I realized there is no universal mask that you could always keep in your bag just in case. the mask that protects you from dust, pollution, bacteria, and still is easy to breathe in. Introducing Breeze. Based on years of personal experience, we created Breeze to be the only mask you need, comfortable and versatile. Breeze is equipped with pure 24-karat gold and silver-plated bactericide filters. Paired with dust filters, they stop over 99% of pollution and bacteria. It's been known for centuries that silver is lethal for microbes, and our team of chemists and engineers took it to the next level. We added gold to trigger a galvanic reaction. This significantly enhanced silver's antibacterial properties. What's more, Breeze is made from a special cooling material. Sprinkle it with water and it'll keep your face cool in the summer heat. We thought about every detail, including windproof valves, pressure-relieving adjustable straps, and an ergonomic nose arch. Most masks protect just you, but Breeze filters your own breath in case you worry about your family and friends. It's washable and will work for many years to come. Any face mask is a restraint, but we are living in the new reality. Therefore, Breeze is designed to provide better protection and maximum comfort, especially on the go. Please support our campaign. These days, we all need to be prepared and stay safe.
Introducing eBreath, that was designed and engineered in Barcelona, Spain. An anti-pollution mask with a multi-speed air ventilation system. With eBreath, I can count on cool, refreshing air, a comfortable and sweat-free fit, and smooth breathing all day long. Featuring the multi-speed air ventilation system called R-Flow, eBreath offers an interchangeable silver ion filter for the valve and a replaceable N99 filter as well. So you can wear it with confidence in the breaths that you're taking, feeling protected wherever you go, and feeling the strength of filtered air moving in and out of your body. Ultra breathable and washable, eBreath is comfortable on your face, and it's a cool, refreshing joy to wear. Other features include an adjustable Velcro strap for the right fit and a silver nano filter to eliminate bacteria, prevent odor, and cool you down.